Hey everyone, so I'm out here on the farm. I've got my new Mega Max PTO stump grinder hooked up. So I'm gonna see about giving it a try, give it a go. I'll get you flipped around and see what happens. So that's what it'll do. It's a little hard to see. It's hard on my neck. Obviously it's a little high here, but I'll probably come back and hit that side there a little bit more. But the problem is it throws all the dirt up there. But you can see it's below grade on the right side and through the middle. So I can just sweep that back over and I won't have a problem. I probably wouldn't have a problem anyhow. Unfortunately, it just rained, so it's really tearing up the yard right now. So I probably want to avoid the spinning wheel of death. And two, wait till tomorrow as it dries out a little bit, or turn around, because this is the driveway. It's a little more sturdy. So, but I think I'll let it dry out a little bit because it's just making a mud hole right now. And I'll get this dirt pushed back in, see what it looks like. So anyway, that's for today's thing. And thanks for watching, y'all.
Tell me